Hey y'all, it's Bo Brotherton with Better Together Life and the Shed to House Facebook group. Slightly different video today because I wanted to share with you something really cool. Now this is mainly for you homesteaders here in Texas that own larger properties, you know, like an acre or more. Our permaculture designer, Pete Van Dyke of Drought Proof Texas, he was here a couple of weeks ago and he shared something really cool that he is doing. And I was like, man, that is rad. And it is so, I would say, like dirt cheap. You need to go and get on this. This is for you owning a larger piece of property, like an acre or more, so not really in suburbia. You have got to get this. We're talking like 50 bucks, y'all. This is amazing.
Did you download Google Earth Pro?
I did. Okay, so let's see. There's the down. So there's that.
So open it
Where's Google
Right
Earth
there.
Pro? Okay, I tried to import it.
It's here.
Okay. What do I?
Click on it. In that little box. Okay.
What? Pete, what is?
Well, you had it. You see the little box with the
Okay.
check mark? It turns it on and off. So when you download it, like when I sent you that email, you download it and then you just drag and drop it into the interface. And then you click the little check mark and that turns things on and off. So right now it's in this folder called Temporary Places.
Okay.
So if you go to My Places and right click and then go to Add Folder, and you can just, type in whatever, the name of your place is, 7 acres, and then click OK. Now you have
Because I played around with this like a long time ago, but I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, so there's the rest of the stuff.
So what is this?
It's a contour map, or a topography map. So what these tan lines are, basically the state of Texas has flown around with planes and shoot lasers at everything. And they get these topography maps. And they're online, you can get them, but it's a little tricky to get them into a format that you can just overlay onto Google Earth.
Okay, so what does each line mean?
Yep, so each line is a level line. So there's a hill.
Okay, let me show you. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so we've got these tan lines here.
Yep.
Each one of these is a level line.
Whoa.
So the lines show you changes in elevation. So down to this line is 2 feet down. So it's 2 foot intervals and they're each level. So it shows you what your land looks like. It's like almost like a 3D modeling of what's happening. So that shows you where water flows. So the hill here, you're on a nice little ridge. And then there's your pond. You can see the low spot.
Yeah. Okay, so that's why this goes, they're closer together, because that is a more steeper, it shoots down faster.
Yep. So when the lines are closer together, it's steeper. When they're further apart, it's flatter. So this is a more gradual slope
Gotcha.
than this up here.
Okay, so let's see. So am I correct with this? So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's a 10-foot drop from there?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
That's incredible.
And these are pretty accurate because it's LiDAR.
Okay, so walking the property, this looks super, super accurate from what I would have thought. I've always noticed that my property slopes to the northeast and the southeast corners. Mm-hmm. Like it doesn't go anywhere besides that. And so that's one reason why I always thought, I was like, ooh, it'd be cool to have like some sort of pondish thing like on the southeast, because even that is 2, 4, 6, 8. But then we have the road. Yeah. But I'm super surprised that it's so detailed.
Yeah.
Like how, look at all the squiggly lines, y'all. Like this is crazy how much detail there is. Where's my mouse? How much detail there is in all of this.
Yeah, and it's a LiDAR topography map.
LiDAR.
We
I've always wanted a LiDAR.
We get this from the state of Texas, but you have to convert it from from their data into a form that you can use on Google Earth Pro, which is what I like to do because it's so much more useful to have this overlaid onto the satellite imagery.
Okay, so you need Google. How much does Google Earth Pro cost?
It's free.
Okay, so I didn't pay. I mean, like you just sent me a link, and I didn't. Like, this is all you need?
That's it.
Okay.
You download it, and then, if you wanted to get one of these maps, you basically just send me your address and your name, and ideally you would have like the outline of the property on a map.
Yep.
Just so I know that I'm giving you the right thing.
For sure.
And then, we send it in to the folks who get these maps for us now.
Uh-huh.
And that's it. I just send you the little file, which is not even that big.
No.
And you download it.
You emailed it to me.
Yep. And then you download it and just drag and drop it into Google Earth.
Okay, and
it pops up.
where all can you do this? Like, can you do this like in certain counties in Texas?
Most of the land in Texas we can do.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So most of Texas.
Yeah, and it's really cheap. I mean, it took me 5 years to figure out this system, and it's really usable.
Mm-hmm.
Because we've got the satellite imagery, which is really nice. When you're working on your own property, trying to figure out what to do, you can, a lot of times, if you're just looking at a topo map, it's just green.
Yeah.
There's no detail.
Yeah.
With the satellite imagery, it's great because you can see everything that's already there, and our map just lays right on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
And we also play with the color of the lines so they're more visible. That was one of the problems we were having at the beginning was you couldn't see them very well. But now we've got figured out, so it's very clear. And with Google Earth Pro, it's free to download, so you just use it, and you can take measurements, you can draw things on the map, you can save it all, and use it to mark out your infrastructure that you already have, like where your water lines are, where your roads are.
So how would a DIY person apply this map if they got it from you?
Basically, they would be able to look at it when they're, like if they were purchasing land.
Yeah.
They would be able to have that topo map before they purchase it and be like, hey, like maybe I shouldn't buy this property because there's this huge gully blocking me from getting to the land. Or the whole property is facing to the west, which is the hot side of the land in Texas.
Yeah.
It tells you where are all the best places to put roads. You put all the roads in high spots so they don't get washed away.
Yeah.
And it can tell you if you've got to build a really long road, how many low spots, how many gullies you're going to have to cross. And that helps you determine how much it's going to cost.
Gotcha.
It can show you where the best house sites are and how they're oriented into the sun. Pretty much everything starts with the layout of the geography on the landscape. Okay. And so even if you have property already, this was very helpful.
So Pete designed our property. He saved us tens of thousands of dollars, probably like $60,000 of the original idea that we wanted to do. So if you had this back then, like what would you?
It would have been better. It would have been more accurate. We would have been able to be more confident in some of the decisions we made. And this has totally changed the way that I do my designs, having these maps available. And I can make these cheap.
Yeah. So most people in Texas can do this. How much does this cost?
It's $50. $50 per map.
$50 per map.
Yeah.
That would save you. It could possibly. If you're trying to do this before buying a property, it could save you. Yeah. Maybe $100,000. Like, that's like if you buy the wrong property.
Yeah.
$50. That's a no-brainer. That's super, super easy.
It's really useful for people who are interested in designing their own farms and homesteads and that sort of thing. And I do that for a living.
Yeah.
And this is the type of map that I use. If you're going to be designing your own place, this is going to save you time, it's going to save you money, you're going to be a lot more confident in what you're doing. And I can't do all these designs, you know. People call me all the time, and they're all over Texas, you know, and I just can't do it all. So I'm trying to help people get the right tools.
For sure.
So that they can do it more easily for themselves.
Well, so I am really into this book, Rainwater Harvesting for Dry Lands. I put a link down below for that, by Brad Lancaster. And he's all about like doing it DIY with a shovel. I'm slightly more motivated to figure out how to get you on an excavator. Yeah. But like with this, I mean, that was something that I couldn't see. I thought what it was, like this really, I mean, if I wanted to do this by myself,
yeah,
DIY with a shovel, it's just a no-brainer to get this.
Yeah, and I mean, you can find good pond locations on properties.
Oh, heck yeah.
But it's mostly useful for access,
yep,
structural positions, and water features.
Yep.
You know, which everybody's going to want to do all those things.
Oh, yeah.
And if you show this map to a contractor, it's going to be really helpful as well.
Heck yeah. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, so how do they get in contact with you to do this?
Basically, you just go to my website.
Okay.
It's droughttprooftx.com. I have a blog, so
yeah,
you just go to my blog posts, and you'll see a bunch of stuff in there. One of them's called Texas Topography Maps.
Okay.
And you just click on that link. All the information.
I'll put the link,
there.
that link down below. Okay, so your contact information is in that link?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll put the link down to that. And it talks about this.
Yeah, and there's instructions about all the things that I'm going to need.
Sweet.
So,
dude.
So it's really cheap. I mean,
that is
it's super cheap. I mean, if you're not doing this, I mean, I don't know why anyone would buy land and try to design it and develop it without one of these maps.
So Pete's saying that it's $50 right now. I'm going to say get it now while he's still saying that, because I'm pretty sure that price is going to go up because it's so much more valuable than that. So definitely get it. I mean, fill his calendar with getting all of these. That is awesome. For you that are in Texas and you are looking to, even if you are looking for property and you want to be able to see the layout of the land, it would be worth it for you to buy one of these topography maps. Even if you haven't bought the property yet, I would say it's worth $50 just to get it before you spend tens of thousands of dollars. And again, the price is not going to get any cheaper. I can't believe that Pete is selling it for this much. I would assume that this is going to be a $200+ thing that he's going to be doing soon, especially once all of you flood his inbox. droughttprooftexas.com, and put all the information down below. You have got to do this. Be the first 5 people that do this, because I guarantee you, after he already does like 5 or 10, he's going to have to increase the price. So Pete's not saying this, I'm saying this. The price will go up. There's no way that he can do it for this cheap long term. So get it now while he's doing this for $50. All right, so please smash that like button if you like this video. Also, if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down, but please tell me in the comments why you gave me a thumbs down. That would be good for me to know what kind of content you guys like. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.